Hello, you're welcome to today's class. In our class for today, we have been told that P is equal to m over 2 minus n raised to the power of 2 all over 5n. And we are told to make n the subject of the formula. When you hear the word make something the subject of the formula, means that you should make it to stand on its own. Make it to stand alone, okay? So now let's go. Solution. Now we have P is equal to m over 2 minus n raised to the power of 2 all over 5n. The first thing we have to do is to multiply the denominators, okay? That is 2 and 5m. That gives us 10m. Remember, we are not going to be using LCM method now. So now we have 2 times 5m, that is 10m. Then we multiply m and 5m. That gives us what? 5m raised to the power of 2 minus 2 times n raised to the power of 2 is 2n raised to the power of 2. So we have P is equal to 5m raised to the power of 2 minus 2n raised to the power of 2 all over 10n. We can make this a fraction all over 1, okay? So now we have this. We now cross multiply, okay? P will multiply 10m while this expression here is going to multiply 1. So we have 10mp is equal to 5m raised to the power of 2 minus 2n raised to the power of 2. Okay, so now all over, we have multiplied 10 and 10m and p, so it's okay. Now all we need to do next is to bring out the like terms, the like terms together. Okay, we'll make 2n. Since we want to make n the subject of the formula, we'll be making it to stand on its own, okay, by doing what? Moving it to the left hand side of the equality sign. Okay, so we have, this is negative 2n squared. So moving it down to the left hand side of the equality sign, it turns to what? Positive. So we have 2n raised to the power of 2 is equal to 5m raised to the power of 2. 10mp will be coming over to meet with 5m raised to the power of 2. It's going to cross over the equality sign and become negative 10mp. Okay, so now what next do we do? Now we are going to be dividing both sides of the equation by 2. So this is 2n raised to the power of 2 is equal to 5m raised to the power of 2 minus 10mp. We divide both sides by 2. Divide here by 2, divide here by 2. 2 divided 2 is going to give us 1. Okay? So now we have this. So we have n raised to the power of 2 is equal to 5m raised to the power of 2 minus 10mp all over 2. Now we have this. So we can go ahead to say that we take the square root of both sides. Okay? In order to get rid of this exponent here, we need to take the square root of both sides. So this is now going to be n raised to the power of 2. We take the square root, and then the positive and negative square root of 5m raised to the power of 2 minus 10mp all over 2. This is going to cancel this. So we are left with n is equal to the positive and negative square root of 5m raised to the power of 2 minus 10mp all over 2. You can go ahead to simplify it further. Okay, that is 10 is going to divide 2, which will give us what? 5. Let's go ahead to simplify it further. That is n is equal to the positive and negative square root of 5m raised to the power of 2 all over 2 minus 10mp all over 2. 2 divide 2, 1. 2 divide 10 is 5. Okay, so now we can say that n is equal to the positive and negative square root of 5m raised to the power of 2 all over 2 minus Remember, we cancel 10 divided 2 is 5. So we now have 5 MP, and that's the value of n. So we have finally made n the subject of the formula. Thanks for watching.